Page 10. Mixtures. Substances usually change in appearance when they are mixed with other substances. A mixture is formed when elements or compounds are combined in such a way that no new substance is produced. Sand mixed with water, soil for plants, and the air we breathe are examples of mixtures. We can separate mixtures into three categories: liquid mixtures, solid mixtures, or gas mixtures. Liquid mixtures. A liquid mixture is formed when an element or compound is mixed with a liquid. You have probably made several kinds of liquid mixtures. Have you ever mixed sand and water to build a sand castle? You probably noticed that both the sand and the water looked different when they were mixed together. Perhaps you have mixed flour and water to make a paste. The flour and water paste and the mixture of sand and water are examples of liquid mixtures. Even though stirring the mixtures will blend them together and cause them to look different, stirring will not produce a new element. Solid mixtures. Soil is an example of a solid mixture. Soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and decaying plant material. Perhaps you have helped your parents mix dirt to pot a houseplant. You needed some sand to keep the soil loose and some clay to hold water and provide good support for the plant. Then you needed some decaying plant material to provide nourishment for the plant. You mix these together and put some of this mixture into a pot. Next, you put the plant in the pot and gently place the rest of the soil mixture over the roots. Perhaps you have made a cake using a mixture of flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. When these dry solids are mixed before a liquid is added, they are an example of a solid mixture. A cake mix from a store is also a solid mixture. Page 12. Soil is a solid mixture of loose grains, but solid mixtures are not always loose grains. Iron and carbon can be combined at high heat to make a solid mixture called steel. Even though they are so tightly mixed they appear as one metal, the iron and carbon are still separate elements in the steel. The same is true with a kind of rock called granite. Granite is formed in nature from a mixture of three types of rock. In granite, these three rocks appear as one rock. Granite is a hard, tightly mixed, solid mixture. Granite is often used as a building material. It is important to remember that no matter how much solid mixtures are stirred, they never form a new element. Stirring only mixes the solids. It does not produce a new element. Gas mixtures. A gas mixture is composed of two or more gases. The most common gas mixture is one we use every moment of our lives. It is air. Air consists of mainly oxygen and nitrogen. Other gases are in the air in very small amounts. The wind stirs these gases together. Gases from factories and automobiles make the air unhealthy to breathe, but a wonderful part of the Creator's plan is that plants clean the air and make it fit for us to breathe. Plants clean the air by absorbing the poisonous gases and releasing oxygen into the air for people and animals to breathe. The carbon dioxide people and animals breathe out helps plants grow. Isn't God wonderful to create this oxygen-carbon dioxide cycle?